Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn possible ways to write for loop in C and C++ part 3. So let's begin. Double click on the Turbo C icon on the desktop to start Turbo C. Turbo C ID is open now. Select new from the file menu to create new program. Press F5 to zoom in the window. In this tutorial, we are going to write a program to print sum of digit of an inputted 4-digit number without using for loop, and then we rewrite the program with using for loop. First of all, I am going to write it without using any loop. So let's begin. Void main, opening brace, closing brace, clrscr get ch. We need three variables for this program: int num, comma p, comma sum. I am initializing sum to 0. Now I want to receive this number from the user, so from the user first enter any 4-digit number. Okay, by using scanf we can receive number from the user. It is in integer format, so %d format specification ampersand num. Okay, now I am going to write three instructions: p equal to num mod 10, sum equal to sum plus p, num equal to num by 10. Okay, now I am going to sum a 4-digit number, so I am repeating this set of instruction 4 times. Copy it, paste it 2 more times. That's all. At last I am going to print the sum of digit, so sum of digits equal to %d comma sum. Okay, now save the program. Say sum of digits okay. Now I am going to compile it now by using Alt F9. The program has no warnings, no errors. I am going to execute it. Control F9. Inputting 1 2 3 4. So definitely the sum of 1 2 3 4 will be 10. That's all. Now it is mandatory to understand how this program works. Consider an inputted number is 1 2 3 4. This statement p equal to num mod 10 is converted into 1 2 3 4 mod 10. Remember that this is modulus operator and it returns remainder after division. So if you divide 1 2 3 4 by 10, the remainder will be 4. So I am writing 4 here. We have initialized the value of sum equal to 0 at the beginning, so sum equal to 0 plus p and the value of p is 4, so the new value of sum is 4. If we divide the number 1 2 3 4 by 10, then result will be 1 2 3. So the new value of num is 1 2 3. Now again we are repeating the same procedure. So here p equal to 1 2 3 mod 10. If we divide 1 2 3 by 10 mod 10, sorry, then the remainder will be 3. Now the previous value of sum is 4. 4 plus new value of p, that is 3. So here sum equal to 7. Now the previous value of num is 1 2 3, and if we divide 1 2 3 by 10, then result will be 12. Now the new value of num is 12, so the value of p will be 2. 12 mod 10 equal to 2. The previous value of sum is 7, so previous value plus 2, that is 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Now if we divide 12 by 10, then the value will be 1. Now the new value of num is 1, so the value of p will be 1 mod 10. Remember that if the value of numerator is less than denominator, then result will be the value of numerator, that is 1 mod 10 equal to 1, 5 mod 10 equal to 5, 9 mod 10 equal to 9. So the value of p will be 1. The previous value of sum is 9, so here the value of sum will be 9 plus 1, that is 10. Here we are dividing the num by 10 and the value of num is 1, so 1 divided by 10 equal to 0. Remember that at last the value of num is 0. Okay, so in this way this program works. You can input any 4-digit number and you will get the output. Now I am going to modify this program using for loop. So deleting 3 sets of instruction, and here I am creating it using for loop. So here I am directly initializing the value of num in for loop. So for sum equal to 0, initializing the sum to 0, num equal to 1 2 3 4 semicolon. Now the condition testing section. Here I am going to write num only, okay, semicolon. Now in incrementation section I am using these 3 instructions, but I am separating them using comma operator. That's all. In the body of for loop I have nothing. I want to repeat these instruction till the value of num will be 0. So when the value of num will be 0, the condition of the loop gets false and the control will come out from the loop. So now we are going to execute this program, saving it, compiling it and executing it. So this is the output. The program is working properly. Now instead of writing this opening and closing brace, you can write semicolon here at the end of this loop. Remember that every C instruction must end with a semicolon. So in this way we can do multiple initialization in for, and instead of incrementation, in incrementation section we can write multiple statements separated by commas as per their execution order. Hope this video helped you. I will see you in another video lesson. Till then, bye. Thanks for watching.